We met our expectations. We prepared all week, and everybody did their job.
I mean, how much motivation do you guys take in shutting kind of Jaya down? Because obviously you ran a little bit over you guys in there. How much motivation did you take in that?
Oh, a lot. Jaya's a great player. I know him well. We game planned it all week, stuffed the run, and shut him down.
What's it about you tonight, ball hawk? What's it about being around the ball for you?
Just running the ball every play and reading our keys.
Take me back. It's a long time ago, but that opening kick, what were you seeing there and what happened?
Just ran up the middle. Our guys blocked well. Big open hole, made one cut, and we were good.
Where do you guys go from here? Because obviously this was a big statement, but there's a lot to be left.
Yep.
Where do you go from here?
One game at a time, but goal is state.
It was really exciting. Whenever the quarterback throws the ball, just try to get my hands up and help our DBs the best I can, and I hit it, and it so happened to just fall in my hands.
Tell me how your defense was able to put so much pressure on Wright and to really disrupt their offense.
Our game plan, we knew we had to give it to him. He's a great quarterback. They had a great offensive line, and we knew they were a dominant force coming in the game. We just know we had to do our best to try to get pressure on them constantly.
What does this say about your team right now, where you're at?
We're together. We're together, and that's what we try to do. We try to play our best game by week 10, and I think that's what we accomplished today.
How much of a chip on your shoulder did you have because Jaya, he did make some plays in that Lucas Oil game. How much of a chip on your shoulder did you want to come out and make a statement against him?
It was a huge chip. We knew that if we didn't come out and play our best, we would be turning our stuff in. And we knew Jaya was a great player, so we had to really try our best and give it to him every play.
What about Ethan out there? Because he takes the opening kickoff back and then he gets 2 picks. He jumps on a fumble. What about that kid?
He's just excited. He has a lot of energy. He gives us a lot of energy, and we're just happy that he's a part of our team.
Here's what I'm most proud of, just the improvement of our guys across the board, offensively, defensively, special teams. You know, and when you play a good team and they expose things that you don't do well, you know, it speaks to our coaching staff, our kids, and just getting better. I mean, that's what we're all striving to do, and I think this was good evidence that of the hard work that our coaches work so hard, and the kids respond to the hard work that the coaches are asking them to do, and you see improvement. And that's the thing that's most pleasing.
I mean, how much motivation did they take in slowing Jaya around? Because Jaya is a heck of a player, and you know
he's a heck of a player.
But
it wasn't you know, we had to say one guy you mirror Jaya Wright. It was all 11 guys. You just got to do the scheme of the defense, work together. I mean, it's not about a one-man thing. It's about 11 guys working in unison in the scheme of the defense. A great design defense by our defensive coaches, Coach Fales, Coach Mormon, you know, Coach Wood, Coach Havish, Coach Bennett. You know, all those guys did a great job, and we're just happy.
Obviously, Hoover had 2 picks and then that fumble recovery. He seemed to be everywhere. What kind of player is he?
You know, this was great too. The turnovers were great plays by our kids. You know, the tip balls, Hoover's interceptions. I mean, it's just guys making good plays.
And there were 11 guys out there on the field. You made 1 tackle there on the sideline.
Yeah, I did. It was pretty good. I told Wright, I said, I cushioned your fall.